Hi, and welcome to Thursday Thoughts with Jodie Sacco. The theme this week is all about the differentiator between a vision and a goal, and that a vision should always be something that is solidified and written in the proverbial stone. The goals and the plans linked to those goals should be written in sand. Here's why. My example is a perfect case. Last week, I made sure that I had planned this entire first week of January out to a T, meaning I had 6 networking events to attend. I was on training courses. I had my team lined up for success. Our marketing strategy is watertight. Guess what happened? I got bronchitis. I lost my voice. So I've had to recalibrate. Having my plans and my goals set in sand means I can erase those, rewrite them, recalibrate, but my vision is locked in and set in stone. It never ever changes, and that's what drives me.